Hi there, I'm Brienne with KitchenAid. I'm thrilled to introduce to you our collection of commercial style ranges. We've got great options for you, whether you're creating your dream kitchen from scratch or upgrading your current setup. 30-inch ranges fit a standard cutout, perfect for smaller kitchens. 36-inch ranges add extra capacity with a larger oven and 2 more burners. And 48-inch ranges give you more cooking flexibility with a second oven and a griddle. No matter what size you choose, you'll love the performance. Let's dive in, starting with the range top. These 2 burners are dual flame burners. 2 levels of flame give you precise control. See how it's low and diffused here? And then you can crank it all the way up to full power at 20,000 BTUs. For even more control, we've paired these burners with 3-level convertible grates. Adjust the removable insert to give your pan the right heat for your cooking technique. Leave it flat and turn the burner up for high heat searing and sauteing. Flip it over to lift your pan above the flame. Just set the burner on low and you have the perfect setup for gentle simmering and melting. Or remove it entirely to nestle a wok directly in the flames for high heat stir fry. This is the 5,000 BTU simmer and melt burner. It reaches and maintains low temperatures for delicate sauces, and it's just the right size for small saucepans. The 30-inch range also has one of these 15,000 BTU burners. The 36 and 48-inch models have 3 of them, so you have plenty of power when you need to keep lots of things going at once. The 48-inch range also includes a chrome-infused griddle. The large, smooth surface and recessed design make flipping food easy, and it cleans up quickly with just water. Let's move on to the oven. Use the back of this knob to choose your oven mode and the front to set the temperature. It lights up to let you know your settings are correct and changes colors, so you can see at a glance when the oven is preheating or up to temperature. If you do a lot of baking or roasting, you'll want to experiment with the convection settings. They use a heating element and fan to create even airflow and consistent temperatures throughout the entire oven. It's a great way to get crispy cookies, flaky pastries, and juicy roasts. And look how easy the rack slides. It's great for heavy roasting pans. You can also control the oven from the KitchenAid app to set timers, access advanced settings, and save your own cooking instructions for favorite recipes. The range will even work with your Google Assistant or an Alexa-enabled device, which is great when your hands are busy in your cooking. Best of all, these ranges are available in 9 colors: ink blue, misty blue, avocado cream, milkshake, stainless steel, imperial black, passion red, scorched orange, and yellow pepper. Pick the color that expresses your style or complements your decor, or even your KitchenAid stand mixer. One final note, if you're upgrading from a conventional range, you'll need powerful ventilation to keep up. Find more information about getting the right range hood online or in store. And there you have it, the KitchenAid commercial style range. Find yours at a local KitchenAid retailer and start thinking about all the things you'll make, bake, and create.